Morning class. As you know beta, in our previous video we have completed our exercise 1.3 up to 9th question. In this video we will solve the question number 10th. In your question number 10th you have to check x into y is equal to y into x and x divided by y is not equal to y divided by x. So how can we check? We will check this by taking firstly left hand side and then right hand side. So the A part of your 10th question is x into y is equal to y into x, where x is equal to minus 3 by 4 and y is equal to 8 by 24. So this is our left hand side and this is our right hand side. Okay, firstly we solve left hand side and then we solve right hand side. Now we will take our left hand side. So the left hand side is equal to x into y. Left hand side is equal to x into y. Put the value of x and y, and that is minus 3 by 4 multiplied by 8 by 24. And we know that both are rational number, and in case of multiplication of rational number, multiplication is done from numerator to numerator and denominator to denominator. So this is equal to minus 3 multiplied by 8 and 4 multiplied by 24, and again this is equal to minus 24 by 4 multiplied by 24. So this is our numerator and this is our denominator, and we have to cancel the highest common factor in numerator and denominator. Clearly 24 is the highest common factor, so we have to cancel 24. What we have to cancel? 24 in numerator and denominator. So after cancellation of highest common factor, our left hand side is equal to, this will become minus 1 and this will become 1. So left hand side is equal to minus 1 by 4 multiplied by 1, and this is equal to minus 1 by 4. So the value of left hand side is equal to minus 1 by 4. Now what we have to find? We have to find the value of right hand side, and that is y into x. What is that? That is y into x. So the value of left hand side is equal to minus 1 by 4. Okay, now we will solve our right hand side. So the right hand side is equal to y into x. Again we have to put the value of y and x. So the value of y is 8 by 24 and x is minus 3 by 4. Again both are the rational number and we have to find their multiplication. So multiplication is done from numerator to numerator and denominator to denominator. So the multiplication is 8 multiplied by minus 3 by 24 multiplied by 4. Again this is equal to minus 24 by 4 multiplied by 24. Similarly 24 is the highest common factor between numerator and denominator. Again this will become 1 and this will become minus 1. So the again right hand side is equal to minus 1 by 4. We have find our left hand side is equal to minus 1 by 4 and right hand side is also minus 1 by 4. So from here we can say that our left hand side and right hand side both are same, and we have verified the commutative property in case of multiplication. Okay, so this is your solution of A part of 10th question. So you can write left hand side is equal to right hand side and both are equal to minus 1 by 4. Hence verified. Okay, now we will solve our B part. So the B part is x divided by y is not equal to y divided by x. Here we have to find the division. Again we will take left hand side and that is x divided by y. Okay, so put the value of x and y. X is minus 3 by 4 divided by 8 by 24. In case of rational number, when we solve the division, what we have to do, we have to change the division into multiplication. Okay, and when we change the division into multiplication, the second rational number become its reciprocal. So this is equal to minus 3 by 4, division become multiplication, and second rational number will become its reciprocal, and that is 24 by 8. Again we have to check whether there is a common factor between numerator and denominator. So from here we can say that 8 is the highest common factor between numerator and denominator. So after cancelling this highest common factor, 8 will become 1 and 24 will become 3. So this is equal to minus 9 by 4, because 3 3s are 9 and minus will remain same, and 4 1s are 4. So this is the solution of left hand side. So the value of left hand side will be equal to minus 9 by 4. Okay. Now what we have to do? Now we have to find our right hand side. So the right hand side is y divided by x. So the left hand side is equal to minus 9 by 4, the value of left hand side. Now we have to find our right hand side. So right hand side is y divided by x, and that is equal to 8 by 24 divided by minus 3 by 4. Again we have to follow the same pattern. Firstly we have to change division into multiplication, and then we have to change the second rational number into its reciprocal. So this is equal to 8 by 24 multiplied by 4 by minus 3. Division become multiplication and second rational will become its reciprocal. So again this is equal to 8 into 4 by 24 into minus 3. Again 8 is the highest common factor. So after cancelling 8, this will become this. And the answer of right hand side is equal to 4 by minus 9. Clear? Left hand side is equal to minus 9 by 4 and right hand side is equal to minus 4 by 9. Both are different, so we can say that left hand side is not equal to right hand side. What we can say? Left hand side is not equal to right hand side. That is, x divided by y is not equal to y divided by x. So from here we can say that hence this is proved. So this is the solution of your 10th question. Now we will solve our 11th question. So what is the statement of 11th question? In your 11th question, you have to find a number such that when you multiply that number by minus 11 by 36, you will get a product equal to minus 44 by 45. What is the statement, beta? Here we have to find a number which when multiply by minus 11 by 36, then the resultant will become equal to minus 44 by 45. Okay, we will assume that the number which we have to find is p by q. So the number we have to find is p by q. And according to question, when this p by q is multiplied by minus 11 by 36, this will become equal to minus 44 by 45. So as you know, beta, this is multiplication. When we will take this number towards the right side of equality, multiplication become division, division become multiplication, and plus become minus, and minus become plus. So here which sign we have? Here we have the sign of multiply. So the multiplication will be converted into division. So from here we can write p by q multiplied by minus 11 by 36 is equal to minus 44 by 45, implies p by q is equal to minus 44 by 45 divided by minus 11 by 36. Okay, so P by Q is equal to minus 44 by 45 divided by minus 11 by 36. Okay, and we know that in case of rational number, division become multiplication and the second rational number will become its reciprocal. So to find the value of P by Q, we have to convert the division firstly into multiplication. This will become multiplication and the second one rational become 36 by minus 11. So from here the value of P by Q is equal to the product of minus 44 by 45 and 36 by minus 11. So the P by Q is equal to minus 44 multiplied by 36 divided by 5 multiplied by minus 11. Now we have to check whether there is a common factor between numerator and denominator. So clearly minus 11 is the common factor between 11 and 45. So the common factor is minus 11 between minus 11 and minus 44. Again 9 is the highest common factor between 36 and 45. When we cancel these common factor, 36 will become 4 and this will become 5 and this will become 1 and this will become 4. So the value of P by Q is equal to 4 into 4 by 5 into 1 and the value is 16 by 5. So the value is equal to 16 by 5. So from here we can say that when we multiply 16 by 5 to minus 11 by 36, it will be equal to minus 44 by 45. So the value of P by Q is 16 by 5. This is the required number and this is the answer of your 11th question. I hope you will get it, and if you have any problem in the exercise 1.3, we can discuss in the online class. Thank you. Have a nice day.